Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the gold market. On gold market, yesterday our primary step still has been completed. So although we, if you remember, in yesterday's video we have talked about the multiple steps that could be formed on the intraday charts, but in result we said that since we have a reversal session on the daily, and daily time frame is a greater one compared to the intraday charts, it means that the patterns that it has are more valuable and they're stronger compared to the patterns that stand on the intraday charts. That's why, despite the different patterns could be formed there, we still suggest that probably not leg down should be formed before any other action will follow. And indeed that has happened. So actually the setup of our butterfly buy has worked perfectly, and currently we could focus on further upward continuation here probably. So on the daily chart, guys, in general situation looks not bad and it stands bullish because market has hit the resistance in 1217. Also it was very close to the overbought area, but take a look, it turns into flag type of the consolidation. Small still looks bullish. After the strong upward action, as you can see, tight tail closing with this upward candle, market shows just minor reasonable retracement down in the shape of the flag. That looks bullish, and it means that it could become some kind of the preparation, building an energy for further upward breakout. So at least this how it looks like on the daily. On the intraday chart, guys, we also have got the kind of the guardless triple to buy that we have suggested right around the pivot point, and here we have mostly the same picture. So OP target 1224 is next destination point, and take a look at the market just has retested the previous top weekly pivot point, strong support area on the hourly chart, but still stands very close to the previous consolidation and doesn't show a really significant pullback. In fact, we have just the 3-8 retracement down here. This mostly stands in favor of the bulls. At the same time, right now, it's not much to do, guys, because actually on the hourly chart, take a look at as soon as you have taken the long position, as we have suggested by this price action by the butterfly, you already have the long position. Right now you could just watch for the targets of this upward action. You could most of it stop to break even and just watch what will happen. But currently at the same time, not big events, not good setup for taking the new position, because what position currently you could take here, because market stands in the middle of some motion to the upside. This pattern already have been used and utilized by the traders, so they're taking the long position here. They are coming to the targets. By the way, speaking of the targets, as market has passed through all fib levels from this top to this bottom, usually in this situation traders use the ultimate targets of the butterfly. This is extension of the whole butterfly body, and first one stands at 1210, so 127 extension. Next will be 1618, 1214, right at the previous steps. That's two targets that could be met maybe today during today's session. If you would like to take a position here, you probably should wait for some other pattern. For example, who knows, maybe market still will form a kind of them deeper action to the downside. It's also possible. So butterfly will be completed, kind of the ABC pattern, for example, could be formed here. Market could reach the confluence. This is one of the possible scenarios. So anyway, you need to wait for another pattern to making the trade, or if market will showing the upward breakout of this top, starting move higher. In this case, you could try and take the position or retracement. Maybe market will start to form here a larger butterfly pattern. That's also possible. So currently we need just to wait and see what will happen, because the patterns that we have discussed through the week, this ABCD, minor guardless triple to sell, this butterfly yesterday, they already has worked out. So the points that they have specified for taking the position already has been passed, already has been used. So currently in the current moment, we do not have any new pattern that could let you to jump in on the market right now. So we need to wait for something else, and maybe today we will not get it. So, but in general, if taking a look at the overall situation currently, market mostly keeps the bullish sentiment in the short term. Also, guys, by the way, here take a look at nice bullish divergence has been formed. This butterfly has been completed here, because on the daily, overall situation looks bullish, as I said. That's why sentiment is bullish, and mostly we need to wait for some and watch for some bullish patterns. This could be used for further upward continuation here, but probably it will happen not today. So if you would like to, you could try, of course, to find something on the 5-minute chart on this upward action, maybe some of these retracements, kind of the garlic triple to buy will be formed or something of that sort. But usually we do not take the view on the two small time frames, on the 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart. Would not take a look at it in the videos because it's too fast. While I will be uploading and putting the mailing on the setup, this already has been passed, will be passed. So mostly we're watching for hourly charts for intraday setups. But currently, as I said, would not have something special. Maybe kind of the hand charts here could be formed still, so you could watch for. So anyway, keep eyes open and wait for some clear patterns that could be used still. That's all that we could say right now on the gold market.